Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bird toy that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BWOGUE Bird Parrot Toys. Marketed as parrot toys but ideal for birds of all shapes, sizes and species, this 5-piece set of toys, including parrot play stand, bells, perches and chains, provides amply mental and physical stimulation for your feathered friend. These multifunctional toys attach easily and are well made, which has caused them to be one of the highest rated options online today. These toys are brightly colored and great for meeting all of your bird's sensory needs, without the need to worry about safety or hygiene. They are ideal for new owners, as they provide almost everything you could need for your bird's toys. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Prevue Pet Products Naturals Rope Ladder Bird Toy. Prevue Hendrix are known for making bird toys from 100% natural, sustainable materials, and this rope ladder toy is no different. Ideal for encouraging physical stimulation and providing plenty of room for improved coordination. This rope ladder is made from Hevea wood branches and sisal rope. The feel of this rope toy is designed to give a natural, rugged feel for your birds. Easy to attach to your cage and suitable for all bird types, this is a great choice for chewing, perching and climbing. It can even be placed vertically for an extra challenge, if you so choose. At number 3, we have the Pets VV Rope Bungee Bird Toy. The perfect perch for birds who love to climb. This bungee rope toy can be adjusted and wound up, thanks to the inner wire, which makes moving this bungee to the right shape all the easier. The bell at the base of the bungee cord adds an extra dimensions of fun to your pet's new toy, too. Ideal budgies, cockatiels, parrotlets and lovebirds. This toy is made with 100% cotton and easy to attach with the C-hook, making this as one of the best, bouncy, bungees out there for your pet bird. At number 2, we have the Sungrow Parrot Chew Toy, Foraging Blocks for Birds. Safe to chew and very brightly colored, this may look like a mess of different wooden blocks on a rope, but this toy actually works very well to reduce excess energy and provide plenty of mental stimulation. Great for satisfying their chewing needs and also a great little climbing and hiding place for your birds. This chew toy works in many ways. This is another destructible item, but being made from a bird-safe wood, you'll find there's a little less mess than usual to be had here. And finally, at number 1, we have the Planet Pleasures Pineapple Foraging Bird Toy. We love piñata toys, and this foraging toy is great for all bird species. Created to engage your pet in foraging activity, this pineapple has been made with completely natural palm leaves and vegetable dye. The bright colors capture your bird's attention while the foraging aspect appeals to their natural instincts. Hand-woven, these textures are easy to grip onto and provide a natural feel, so you'll never have to worry about your bird struggling to gain purchase. It also comes at a great price, when considering the quality, so feel free to grab a few of these. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon